Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a master lock. This is a LockOut TagOut lock, as you can see here. And this is the key that does work like a champ. So what you gotta do with this is turn it, and then you can pull out the shackle. So this is a key retaining lock. So let's see what we can do to get this sucker open, shall we? Hey y'all, this is the third try for me on this guy. Now I have picked this guy open twice before, just unfortunately not on camera. So let's see if we can't get it this time, shall we? The nice thing about this guy, like I said, I have picked this open twice before. Now, when I picked it open before, I was using Peterson Gem, and I was using this one from Sparrows. Now I'm using this one from Sparrows, which is the Tron, I believe, or the something like that. Anyway, I can't remember the name of all these things all the time. So every time every once in a while I'll stick it in and try to rake it, because that's what this lock likes. It likes a little bit of play. Now, I mentioned this a couple times before, but this guy has a metal core and a plastic bevel. So you can't really take it apart because, well, it's not designed that way. The reason this is designed for is that this is a LockOut TagOut. It has an amazing bitting, which is this, and it's 6 pins. That's what really sets this lock apart from all the rest. And that's why, as far as masters go, this is probably one of the tougher ones that to get through on this. So, let's try this guy, shall we? of a sudden I've become very quiet. That's okay. Very concentrating. You know, the really best way for me to pick these things is to be talking to someone on the phone and not paying attention to any damn thing I'm doing. You know, and this one all I'm doing is focus, 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 focus. So that's all right. We'll see, there we go, we got her, and backwards, of course. Now we have to do is spin it, right? So, what we're going to do is spin it. We're going to use the magic spinning device. Sweet. And how do we do that? We push the button down until it locks. I'm going to put this right up here, so until we push the button, and oh, shitty. Well, we picked it. Just can't get it open yet, huh? Damn. Alright, let's try her again, shall we? Had her open. Oh, no, we got it. Alright, folks, so we're back. I was able to finally get this thing a little bit, so we're going to try to flip it again and see what we got here. Okay, and here we go. And, well, spun it again. I think that we've screwed up the lock. I think that we've ruined it. So, may need to Alright, as you can see, I've kind of ground this thing open. So what it did is it melted the plastic as it opened it, but that's okay because I'm still going to be able to get it open. So main reason I'm doing this is just so I can show you that all the pins fell out. There you can see all the pins fell out in the lock as I flipped it around. So my bad. I've screwed up the damn lock. As you can see it is upside down. I messed it up. All the pins dumped out the top. So alright folks, and one last thing for this lock, I was able to get it back together. As you can see, it does work now. So now all I need to do is figure out a way to glue it back together, as you can see, because since I kind of fucked it up there, didn't I? So we'll figure out a way, but if we don't, notice that when you get this, if you get this lock and it's super fucked, that's because of me. Thanks y'all, have a good one.